This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook taro cake. You will need fresh taro root, about 2 pounds, along with rice flour, dried shrimp, and Chinese sausage. These ingredients form the foundation of our savory cake. Make sure your taro root is firm and free of blemishes for the best texture and flavor. We will also incorporate rehydrated shiitake mushrooms for an earthy depth, truly elevating the taste profile of this traditional dish. First, carefully peel the 2 pounds of taro root, then dice it into uniform half-inch cubes. Once diced, you can either steam or boil the taro until it becomes fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. After cooking, mash approximately 1/4 of the taro cubes to create a creamy texture, while leaving the rest in small pieces to provide interesting textural variety throughout the cake. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok or large pan and sauté the dried shrimp, diced Chinese sausage, and rehydrated mushrooms until fragrant, about 3 minutes. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 cups of rice flour with 3 cups of water to create a smooth, lump-free batter. Now, combine the sautéed aromatics, the cooked taro, and the rice flour batter in a large mixing bowl. Stir everything thoroughly until all ingredients are evenly distributed, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Now, generously grease a 9-inch round pan or a standard loaf pan with 1 tablespoon of oil to prevent sticking. Carefully pour the taro mixture into the prepared pan, smoothing the top with a spatula for an even surface. Steam the cake over high heat for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. The internal temperature should reach at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it is fully cooked and set properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.